Hi, my name is Josh Shaver. I'm one of the instructors for the Business U course here at Widener University, and I've been an advisor for 11 years at Diamond State Financial Group. So we're located in Newark, Delaware, and also in Media, Pennsylvania. And another one of my roles with the firm is I'm a managing director there. So what that really entails is being a trainer and also an educator for all the new advisors that come into the firm. And that's really what I love most about what I do. So not only do I train and educate the new advisors, but also educate clients and business owners about how to make financial decisions in their own lives. So I love that about what I do.
Hi, my name is David Tate, working with Josh at Diamond State Financial Group. I've been there almost 5 years, but before that I was a pastor. For 25 years, I helped families navigate the various chapters in their lives. Now, as a financial advisor, I focus on the retirement chapter. And if someone has been saving money in a 401k throughout their career, then it's a pretty straightforward process. We see how much money they've saved and how much they'll need to have a comfortable retirement. For business owners, that process is not so straightforward. The reason for that is that for a business owner, your business is typically your largest financial asset. And so business owners are going to need the tools that Business U will provide to understand how much that business is worth and the steps you need to take to get the value out of that business to pay for the comfortable retirement that you'd like to have. I really look forward to seeing you at Business U.
So one of the major questions we get when we talk about Business U is, what is Business U? What sort of things do you talk about as a part of this course, and who should really attend this course? So being a business owner, your life day in and day out is focused on your business, and whether that's making it more profitable or more valuable or worrying about your employees, a lot of times, unfortunately, what that means is you neglect your own personal financial decisions and those involving your family. So what this course is really designed to do is help you incorporate the business financial decisions that you have to make along with those personal financial decisions that you have to make, so that in your long-term kind of outlook on things, you can make the best decisions for yourself and your family. So hopefully what this course accomplishes for those that attend is that they have a really good picture of how to build a more secure financial future for not just their business and their employees, but also themselves, their own retirement, as Dave said, and their family. And as far as who should attend this event, you may think that the busier you are, the harder it would be for you to attend something like this. But I disagree. I think that the busy and successful business owner is actually perfect to attend a course like this, because it helps you be more efficient with the things that you have going on in your everyday life.
Business U is all about education. And by education, what I mean is it's a comprehensive course that business owners need to understand to make better financial decisions. Unlike other financial courses you may have taken that focus on just one topic, Business U is meant to look across the board at various important things that you need to know. Also, Business U comes with a workbook, a textbook that is going to be valuable. It will follow the course. It's just as comprehensive as all the material that we'll be teaching, I think even more comprehensive. And that workbook itself will be a valuable financial tool that you can use for years to come in order to better understand your own personal financial plan. Business U is designed to help you be your own financial advocate, to help you make the decisions that you need to make, to help you be the quarterback of your own financial team of advisors that you already have. And because Business U is comprehensive, it can provide a series of steps that you need to take to get from here to there, to get from where you are now to the retirement that you want to enjoy and the legacy that you'd like to leave for your family. So it will be great to see you at Business U. If you're interested in attending, then when this video is over, there will be a link, and that link will show you how to sign up for Business U, how to get more information about Business U, or how to dive deeper into what Business U is all about. Josh and I look forward to seeing you here at Widener for Business U.